did this interview because we wanted to learn more about Pine Knob, and this is why. Because we think this is an important place in the Clarkston community. And it brings people in our community together. And that is why we interviewed some people to teach you more about Pine Knob.
There. Has anybody ever been here for opening day? It can be very intimidating. The lines can go all the way through down the hallway where we don't even see where the end is at. Ticket office, I've seen it wrapped all the way around the building, coming through both doors. So,
It's cutting and welding, fabricating. So it's welding and using cutting torches, some plywood.
Eventually, the Burton brothers bought the patent on the snowboard and converted it to a binding system so that your feet were locked into the board, and that was the advent of the snowboard right here. Yes, this is actually called a snurfer, and this is the original snowboard, believe it or not. It was made by Brunswick, so I have actually purchased it at Howes Lanes, which today is Cherry Hill Lanes.
And now for some important history events about Pine Knob.
A lot of people don't know about, we were actually snowed in here, or interlodged is the term. So they wouldn't let anybody come or go because all the freeways were shut down. There's a newspaper article about it in Clarkston, just how people had to stay at the junior high that were stuck there. But we had to spend the night here. In the other side, it was a restaurant. And the next morning, those of us that worked in the restaurant had to get up and cook breakfast for all the people that were staying from all over, because it was pretty crowded in here, and nobody could leave because of the road conditions.
Thank you for watching. And now for the credits to the people who helped make this film.